Hello everyone, I'm Avinash and I'm back again with an amazing resource for you guys. Before starting the video, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe for more regular updates related to placement material, opportunities updates, and many more resources like startup list, DSA, web development, AI, ML, cloud. Okay, so today I have brought resources related to projects. Many of you are in final year or third year or looking for mini or minor projects, or you want to update some good projects in your resume. So you must be looking for some ideas also with source code. So in this repo, I have curated some projects with source codes. You can take this as a reference. If you find it helpful, you can also add in your resume. So if you're adding in your resume, then you have to understand what are the concept about that project, learn the technology first. Okay, so here we have Java, React, full stack, data science, C++, and machine learning projects. I will add more projects. Okay, for example, Java projects, we have a simple password generator, online survey system, online resume builder, snake game using Java, data visualization software, web medical management. Okay, and these are some core Java projects. Create a customer relationship management system. Okay, network packet sniffer. Create a criminal face detection system. Some React projects, React Note application, React cryptocurrency application, React password generator, React photo gallery. Okay, if you click on any of the link, it will redirect you to source code link where you can read about the project, how to install it, how to use it. Okay, some full stack projects, to-do list, blog websites. These are like beginners to advanced projects. Social media app website. So I have added only the GitHub repo link where you will get the source code link with some explanation how to use it. Okay, some data science projects, fake news detection using Python, detecting forest fire, gender and age detection. So it will redirect to your repo which contains the source code and explanation. You can download it first, whichever you are interested, fork, and you can download and can make changes. C++ projects, if you are looking to add some C++ project in your resume, you can use these. Machine learning projects, home value prediction, sales prediction, music recommendation system. Okay, so these are the explanation and the source code link. Deep learning market. So I will add more projects to this repository. You can also like contribute to this repo. How? Just create an issue for which domain you want to add project. If the domain name is not present, you can add just below this and name it and add the projects below if it's a new domain project. Okay, so what are the steps? First, start this repo so that you don't miss this, and after that fork repo, it will create a copy of this repo and where you can make changes, and after that you can make a pull request so that I can accept it. So before creating a pull request, before making a change, create an issue first. For example, go here, create a new issue, name it, give title, what project you want to add or what, how you want to contribute. For example, if you are interested to make a website for this repo, you can make a website. I want to make a website for this repo. Okay, I want to add Java project and here in description describes about the project and add the GitHub link, like the source code link which you want to add, so that I can verify and accept your uh, pull request. Okay, so once you are done with pull request, I will accept it and you can contribute as many as projects you want to add. Okay, so I will attach the repo link in the description. Check it out, and if you have any doubt, do let me know. Don't forget to start it, because I'm going to add some more projects. I'll be adding regularly. If I get any good project source code, project ideas, I'll add all those things. There are some more repositories, helpful repositories which you can check in my repo. Some are portfolio collection, free courses with certificate, profile readme template, login sign up templates, so many. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.